Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. Let's begin. Let's begin with simply checking if we have enabled our screen rotation feature. We can easily do that by expanding the control center at the very top, and here we can see auto rotate currently being on. Of course, if it's not on, you want to simply enable it like this. And if you can't see this option in Control Center, I would advise you to click this icon for editing and simply drag from the bottom to the top, so we can have easier access to auto rotation option. And now when we have this enabled, we can easily take our Lenovo and simply rotate it. And as you can see, it's working without any issues. However, if the issue still persists, I would simply advise you to turn off your device and turn on again, or simply reboot it. I know it sounds kind of silly, you can do that like that, but it will help you, since rebooting is not only like rebooting the device itself, but also the hardware. So every single system on the phone, on the tab, will be rebooted, including gyroscope, which is responsible for rotating your screen. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.